All right, so today I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of this year's seeds. But I want to start this video out giving a shout out to an organization I just ran across named Down to Earth Community Gardens. It's a 501c3 organization. I'm in no way sponsored by these people. They do a lot of education, building community gardens for schools and food banks and stuff like that. They have a lot of resources for free compost, build a raised bed, free resources for raised beds. Their goal is to make gardening as inexpensive as possible. Let's get on with my video. Let's take a look at a few seeds here. I actually got from this organization from a free class that I took. I was able to, I got some tomatoes, some chives. Now these are 2022, so they're a little bit older as far as seeds go. But, seeds that are taken care of really last a long time. And the reality is most of these things have way more seeds than we got. So if this package of seeds was, let's pretend it was 90%, that it would have germinated before. If it goes down to 80% and I still have 50 seeds, what is that? 40 of them are still gonna, still be good. So I mean, it's more than enough plants, and they have a little bit of everything here. I got some these things, radishes, different types of beans, chives, peas, beans, okra. I'm gonna try okra this year. The lady said that okra would grow here in Washington State, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see if I get any okra. I mean, that would be fantastic. I've never grown okra before. So let's go ahead, and I already opened this box, but let's take a look at it. This is from West Coast Seeds out of Canada. They had a really good selection of greens and stuff like that. Now, I don't know why, but they can't ship everything into the United States, but they had enough where things that they could ship that it was like, that was fine. I mean, I had more than enough things that I could select from. So let's take a look. So I got New Zealand spinach. This is supposed to be it's not really a real spinach. It's a kind of a spinach substitute. But it's warm hardy, so in the summertime I should be able to get something that I can use like spinach. I'm hoping that it's pest resistant to things like leaf miners and stuff like that. I'm pretty excited about this one. This is a type of mustard, whatever that says there. I'm pretty excited about this. I really enjoy my greens. This is another mustard. I tried not to do this too often, but I did buy this one because of the picture. I thought it looked pretty cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that. Tokyo, whatever that said. This is a type of broccoli. I bought this one because it looks like kind of a little bit shorter, stubbier carrot. So I'm gonna try that. I bought collard greens from them this year. Last year I had a different collard green and it was okay. I mean, it tasted fine, but it didn't grow as well as I was hoping. So I'm kind of gonna go back to a more traditional collard green. This is a type of kale that's supposed to be a little bit more heat tolerant, although I've found that most kale grows fine in the summertime anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in. And I bought a blend of lettuce. Oh, and I got some parsley, so there. Go ahead and let's open up. This is from Uprising seeds. These guys are out of Bellingham. I like what I've been getting from them. I got a big old package of what they call Poke Joe cilantro. Now, I did buy some store-bought cilantro, and I have a video about planting it. I'm kind of excited about trying that because it was only 99 cents, and this is a bit more expensive. This is a hot pepper I ordered. It kind of looks like a purple jalapeno pepper, and it's supposed to be a little bit hotter than a jalapeno, but not quite as hot as a serrano, so somewhere in between there. I'm kind of excited about trying it. This is the first time I've grown any hot peppers. Okay, so this is a sweet pepper. This year's pepper strategy was I'm trying to avoid growing any peppers that get big. This is a new eggplant that I'm going to try this year. Honestly, haven't had a whole lot of luck with eggplant. I can always get a few, but I don't seem to get as many as I want. Gusto Italiano project. This is a leaf broccoli. I bought this last year and it was doing really, really well up until we had the very, very cold snap and it killed all my plants. It's not really grown for the flower, it's grown more for the leaves, hence it's called a leaf broccoli. So that's what I got for seeds this year. I also have these are my tomato seeds from last year. These are San Martino tomatoes. I'm gonna grow these. This will be the third year I've grown these tomatoes. The first year I grew these, they grew pretty well, and I think I can find a picture and I'll put it in. But last year was much, much, much better. And it was much better during a year that a lot of people were struggling growing tomatoes. And it was by far my best tomato year ever. I mean, it wasn't even close. So maybe there is something to saving your seeds. If you get something out of this video, like, share, and subscribe.